Hi everybody, I'm just going to try and get in here. Hello, I'm Daryl Januszewski. I am the designer of this Color Your Own t-shirt that I made. Actually, I drew this dragon initially for the Mythical Creatures adult coloring book on my Etsy shop. But then I decided it would be a good idea to incorporate t-shirts that you can color in with fabric markers for my RedBubble shop. So as my cold is going away, I'm finally able to speak somewhat. And thank you to Christina and everybody else that made suggestions on colors. I think in the interest of making it look like a fierce tattoo, which I love the idea of a dragon tattoo. I was born in the year of the Chinese dragon. We're going to do a black and a red and a gold for the primary colors here. So let's get the red and the black. And this color is sort of a gold. And I'm also going to incorporate a little bit of yellow and a little bit of orange there for some fierceness. We don't want to have too many colors, obviously, because then that kind of detracts from the really cool Chinese dragon tattoo look. So you have the rest of these fabric markers put away here on the side out of mine. Alright, just going to move this over here so it's easier for you to see there in the light that we have at 7:12 p.m. And given the way I tend to eat Smarties in rainbow order, I'm going to start with the colors in the Roy G. Biv order as well. So, I see that he's got a tongue. I want that to look fierce. It's not just that he's got a tongue, I actually put that in there. So we're going to start with the red here. And like Bob Ross and his happy little trees, I kind of like to just go for it as I go along. This isn't a super structured plan, but wherever I see red could do well, I'm going to incorporate it. And then we'll go on with the next color, orange, gold, and so on. And then I believe we will save the black for last. Those little dots that I drew, I remember drawing these on, with a pencil on paper before I even scanned it into the computer for being the printable coloring book. And I remember drawing all those dots and how time consuming it was. So now I'm going to use the finer tip of this. If you can see that here, this is a finer tip of this fabric marker. So I'm going to do that with all these little dots that I drew. But in the interest of saving you guys time, so you don't have to watch me color in this entire dragon, I'm going to move on to do the next colors here. So the next one's going to be this orange one, and I'm thinking yellow and orange are going to be really awesome for his eyes, as well as black. So first of all, we should put some fine black right in these parts of his eyes here. Gives him a little bit of spooky intensity. Now, I'm going to put some orange in his eyes, followed by some yellow. And bring them to life like tiger eyes a little bit. Just decided to do the nostrils in black as well, because if I do them in red, it might look like he's got a little bit of a nosebleed there, and he doesn't. Also, I layered it, I don't know if you can see it from there, but I created an illusion of shadow so that there's more light on the bottom of his nostrils and more depth along the top. Now, while I'm thinking of it, I want to put some black in his mouth as well. Again, to show shadow. We can certainly do his teeth the color like yellow. It's not like dragons brush their teeth, right? Probably keep their mouths clean by breathing fire. Making his body can be mostly orange and then with some red shadowing. How does that sound, guys? Good, I hope. Again, I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time here. So, we're going to move on to the yellow. And I want to be creative with this, because we'd rather have more gold than yellow if we're talking about fierce dragon tattoos here. So I'm going to be a little more subtle here with the yellow. Again, I'm using the fine tip for the more narrow areas, you can see here. I had a lot of fun researching Chinese dragons when I was drawing this. I think I would like to do the chest area here and his belly in, I'm thinking of black and maybe black and gold. Because the orange is already close to red. So I'm a little concerned if I put red in there and it's similar to the orange and it's similar to this, that something will end up lost. I think I would like his chest and belly to be black and gold. I'm still debating over the color for the ridges all along his back. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do them black, but I might also do them yellow so he looks fierce. So let's get started on his chest. Sorry I'm in the way of the image here. I'm a southpaw, left-handed person. Alright, gold is actually kind of a brown color in its own way. Yeah, first make a decision on its belly. Once it is all colored in black and gold, and then when we see how that looks, we make a decision on all his spikes that are along his spine. Okay, so before I end this video, just going to say that I've decided on yellow here for his spikes, as you can see along his spine. So we're going to finish the video at this point. I appreciate your time watching so far, and I will show you at the end of this video, at the end of this recording, the finished product. So thank you for watching, and you can check this out on Instagram. And on Saturday the 9th, my husband Rob and I are going to be at the Memorial Center for the market at Red Deer, and I will be wearing this shirt. So make sure you look for us and look for me specifically in this shirt when it is finished. Thank you so much.